Hi and welcome back to another Divine Days dance tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a bit of contemporary dance. So make sure you're nice and warm, got plenty of space and just follow along at home. So we're going to start, we're going to step forwards onto the diagonal and we're going to turn back on ourselves, bringing the foot up to the knee. So it'll go round, and when we do this we want to take our arms into our chest. So it'll go step, round, then we want to do a hop, one leg straight, the other leg bent in front at a nice right angle position, and we're stopping the leg with our arms. So just nice and free. So it'll go step, turn, hop, and then you're gonna bend the front leg up on the ball of the foot, release the arms out, and you want the body to go with it. You want this movement to be very free and just make it your own so it's not uniform, and just take a breath in it, and it's like it's pulling you back into yourself. So from the beginning again, step, turn, step, hop, pull in, then you're going to do 2 steps back, starting with the front leg, back leg, and when you step on the back leg you want it to be nice and big because you want to end in the lunge. So back leg bent, front leg straight, ball of the feet up off the floor, nice flexed foot. So it'll go hop, open, front, down, turn to face the side, shooting your arms up, and you should be a nice straight line now. And we'll go from the beginning again, adding on. Step, turn, step, jump, release, in, step, down, and up. Excellent. So carrying on, we're going to do a forward circle with the arms, 1.5 circles to end behind us, and when we do this we're going to bend forwards and jump up, nice straightening of the legs, so just a little push off the floor. So you want bend, stretch, bend again. So it'll go round, up, down, back up to start, and there's not much left, so we'll just carry on. You're gonna bend both knees, and this will tip you off balance. You want to push the pelvis forwards, so you'll tip backwards like this, and when you're in this position you're not holding it for long. You want to reach your arm back as far as you can, but you're looking for your hands. So it'll go reach back in, and it's okay if you step out of it. So it's nice and free, these moves, nothing is set. If you need to change anything, just do it as you need to. So you've gone down, jump, up, reach, in. Now you're going to take the back leg, bring it up to your knee up to your chest, and with your arms you want it to be like you're pulling it in. It's like you're hunched over it. So go in, down, and this is the last move. You're gonna open, all the way around with the head, and you should just feel your chest open a bit. So it's not a full back bend, it is just in your head and your shoulders. You should just open that chest up, and that is where we're going to end. So we'll go out, in, out, all the way round. Excellent. So we will give that a go from the beginning. That is all the moves, and we want to really focus on being grounded in this routine. So it's okay to have bent knees and stuff. We want to be low to the floor, some of the moves is like it's heavy and just really exaggerated. So it's gonna go step, turn, hop, open, in, step, lunge, up, over, down, up, back, round, open, open, all the way round. Excellent. So we'll give that a little go with some music. So just make sure you've got plenty of room and have a quick drink if you need one. I'll shout over, then we'll do it one time, just dancing it. 7, 8, step, turn, hop, over, step, lunge, up, over, up, back, in, open, open, round. Excellent. So that is the whole routine. So now I want us to try it as big as we can. I want everything to flow into each other and just really exaggerate and have fun with it. So we'll try it one more time from the beginning. Step, excellent. So that is all for today, so I'll leave you there to practice. So thank you for watching and I'll see you again next week. So thanks and bye for now.